Welcome back to the Cars Master. Today we are reviewing the modern technology Celica. The 2025 Toyota Celica marks the triumphant return of an icon, blending its legendary heritage with modern performance and cutting-edge technology. Designed to capture the essence of a true sports car, the sleek aerodynamic body features aggressive lines, a sculpted hood, and LED lighting that enhances its bold presence. A low, wide stance ensures exceptional handling, while lightweight materials improve agility and efficiency. Every detail, from the signature rear spoiler to the dual exhaust outlets, speaks to the Celica's racing DNA. Under the hood, a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine delivers an exhilarating 300 horsepower, providing an engaging driving experience whether on city streets or winding roads. Paired with a responsive 6-speed manual or an advanced 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters, the 2025 Celica offers precision control and heart-pounding acceleration. The intelligent all-wheel drive system enhances grip and stability, making every turn and straightaway feel effortless. A track-tuned suspension ensures the perfect balance between comfort and performance, delivering a dynamic ride that excites at every corner. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit combines sportiness with modern luxury. Premium bucket seats with Alcantara and leather trim provide exceptional support, while an advanced digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen keep essential information at your fingertips. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL audio system create an immersive driving experience, while ambient lighting adds to the Celica's futuristic feel. A wireless charging pad, head-up display, and smart key entry enhance convenience, making it as refined as it is exhilarating. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 ensures top-tier protection, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A reinforced chassis and advanced airbag system provide peace of mind, whether cruising on the highway or pushing limits on the track. The 2025 Celica embodies the perfect fusion of nostalgia and innovation, redefining what a modern sports car can be while staying true to its legendary roots. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel.